So now I'm going to talk about how you can get Google Reader on your cell phone. So first off, you want to know if your cell phone's compliant. And just here in the Google Reader's Help Center, you can see what are the minimum phone requirements for Google Reader on your mobile phone. So first off, your phone must have a web browser that is XHTML compliant. And to determine if your browser is compatible, you could point it to www.google.com/xhtml and perform a search. If it doesn't work, your browser may not be compliant. You also must have a browser that allows cookies, that has cookies enabled on your mobile network and allow cookies. And the settings for cookies are usually located in your phone's browser settings. And your mobile phone network must also allow secure SSL traffic. So, really, if you just want to find out if it works, one quick way to do it is point your mobile phone's web browser to this address right here, reader.google.com. And I got to this by going to Settings and then in the Goodies tab. And then you can see it says if your phone has a data connection, you can access Google Reader on the go by pointing your mobile phone's browser to reader.google.com. So if I click on it, you can actually see this just little abbreviated Google Reader and how it'll look on your cell phone. So let me just bring this up and kind of show you what it's going to look like. And you'll see it'll just list out your stories, and you'll be able to scroll around and click on one and just get a brief little view. This one actually has an image. So that's how you get Google Reader on your cell phone.